So y'all, I went to a whole Oktoberfest, did zero filming of anything, took zero photos. I'm here in Austin, Texas to screen Continental Breakfast at the Austin Short Film Festival. And I'm here with my cousin Charlie.
Howdy y'all, what's up?
So I thought, yes, I'm gonna do what I should do and document this experience.
Proud of you. Proud of you, big cuz.
Alright, I'm here at Southwest Theaters for our world premiere for Continental Breakfast. Alright, so I've checked in, got a film pass. We're some of the first people here. There's a little thing to take photos. There's the check-in station over there. So yeah, I get my business card out to a couple people so far. So far, so good. So people are trickling in. I'm just snuck off and I'm checking out this movie theater. They've got these cool posters like Vote for Pedro, LA Confidential. It's cool stuff, man. And so take a peek at some of these theater. Yeah, this is a nice movie theater. 11:45, a lot more people showing up. A lot of
Yeah, come on, hop over here. Don't be shy. Here you are. And Nicholas, you're Nicholas. All right, where are you from?
I came here from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I am from St. Louis, Missouri originally. Lived a lot of my life in LA. Did the bounced around in the industry stuff. And this film, this is my first film, outside of film school. It was inspired by kind of by my dad a little bit. He was a traveling salesman, and he died of CTE, and he had so that's head injury because he was an athlete. And so he had some peculiarities. Whenever we would be served burnt food at a restaurant, he would freak out. That's gonna give me cancer. And so the idea of the road and traveling, and also the lead actor in this I was in acting class with, and I kind of wrote it for him wow, he could really embody this role and be good in it. And yeah, I'm so excited to share this film with an audience for the first time. Wow.
Well, fantastic. Familiar with the play Breakfast Salesman? Yes. So it's got seems like a little recurring theme in there a little bit.
Absolutely, yeah. As a producer, I kind of felt I thought the road would be a really easy sort of backdrop. But then I actually found out hotels don't want you to film in the lobby at all. So I had to just drive to 100 motels and ask them, can I please film in your lobby? And I finally found 2 that would let me.
Rogue filmmaking, that's how it's done. It's like Werner Herzog Film School. How to break a lock and how to forge documents. That's film school, 101.
Yeah, we are a SAG movie. I had to do fill out a lot of paperwork.
Yeah, that's being a producer too. It's kind of a pain, but you did it. You pulled it off.
Yeah.
Well done. Give it up. Well done.